It's my newest little project. I took my gas motor out of that bad boy. Had to come out. I just got it tuned real nice too, but the bubble on top where it pumps the gas up into the carburetor, stopped working. So that's the second one. I just pulled it out. I had this laying around. Had it in my Typhon for a little bit. Not as fast, but the torque is crazy for the beach. But I do a lot of road running, so that's me. This right here. It's gonna be hitting the road soon. Waiting on, I don't know if I'm getting that XXL2 or that Max 5 something to put in here. Just don't know what kind of ESC yet. Might go to MGM on it, but we'll see what the pockets look like. So that's my new build, yeah. Couple of parts we pulled out of there. Screws, bro. Gear section. That's part of the center diff right there. And that's the bearing right there, dirty as can be. And that was the gear, so I need a different gear with the top teeth, not the spiral type teeth there. And gas tank. Had to remove all that. And then get the spacing right. So I'm just getting the spacing right, and the spacing looks good. So I'm gonna have to chop some of my mount. No problem though. Dremel works fine. Charging right now. Chop that mount. Put the plate on that holds this part of my spool, and mount that back up on there nice and tight. Wait for my ESC, getting a nice receiver for it. I got the kill switch in there. No, that's the other part that goes to the back part of the right there. This piece here. Put some batteries here, one case, two cases, hopefully, if it'll fit there. If not, I might have to move them to the back somewhere here. But I'm thinking one to fit, we got a lot of room in there. One to fit there and one to fit about right here. So I'm figuring I want to space it, one here, one up front there, and one on the side by this motor and this thing here, but I don't know. I have to figure all that out as I go. But no more gas. I'll be able to run this quietly and have more fun with it. Bring it out a little more often in certain places that I couldn't bring it when it had that bad boy in it. I like that motor. It's the motor that came with it stock. I like it. It's running good, but the bulb just won't pump the gas up, so I got a little tired of that. And that's the second carb. I got another carb laying around here somewhere. So, a little cleanup. Clean that off. YouTube. Should get me some real tires for the back. I think I'm going to spin these nubs right off with that motor. It ain't fast, it's not that fast, but I'm gonna gear it kind of nice so it can get me a little speed, maybe 60, 70, hopefully 90s, but I'm not looking for all that with this thing. I'm gonna be probably putting it back in the dirt as well, so I might leave those on till I ball them out. We'll see, YouTube, what you working with, bro, what you working with. Went back to this thing, find something to do with it instead of sitting around collecting dirt. Cleaned that chassis up pretty good. Got that mounted real good. Well, set in the spot where I want it real good. Just have to reverse my motor rotation properly, more than likely, because that's in backwards. So, well, not backwards, but reversed, as more places have their motors sitting that way, pinion to the front. This one's pinion to the back and motor to the front. But yeah, we're gonna make it work. Let's see what it do. Alright, YouTube. Enjoy the rest of the last day of the weekend, bro. Mondays are coming.